You are interested to blogging. You want to earn money from blogging. Or you want to make freelancing career. You have to earn money from doing search engine optimization. For doing on-page optimization, you must have basic knowledge about HTML. Hi, I am Arifur Rahman. I am an instructor at Rural Reconstruction Foundation. Today, I am here to teach you about the essential basics of HTML, which help you to blogging and learning search engine optimization. If you are beginner to web design, this course is perfect for you because in this course you can easily learn HTML from zero level. Don't waste your time. Join the course right now.